Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 375 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1990 Mustang Lx Fox body. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. Again, we have the 302 Ford roller lifter cam installed, aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Proper rear sump Fox body Mustang oil pan on there, oil stick and tube. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires in black. All the wire markers are on there, all the wire looms. Proper timing cover for the Fox body Mustang. The battery cable ground goes right here on the timing cover right there. We have the oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. Brand new balancer, high flow aluminum water pump, all the correct water pump studs for the customer's brackets to go on there for the Fox body Mustang. Heater hose fitting on there, coolant bypass hose, correct Ford Racing 90-degree thermostat housing, thermostats installed. We have the MSD distributor in there. We have the Holley Systemax polished intake manifold, upper and lower intake manifold on there. We have the 30-pound fuel injectors installed. Customer will install his own fuel rail on there. We have the proper standard flywheel, proper tooth count and balance for the 302 Ford. Proper one for the customer's transmission. We have the ARP flywheel bolts, pilot bearings installed, all the clutch pressure plate bolts installed. The clutch alignment pins are pressed in for the customer. Starter index mid plate is installed, ready to go. I installed the PCV valve, the crankcase filter on the bottom underneath there is installed. All the heavy duty ventilation lines on there. I installed all the vacuum lines for the customer for easy hookups. He has on here for the fuel pressure regulator vacuum line on there. The main vacuum hose that goes to the vacuum tree on the back of the firewall. I hooked that up for him. It's all set. We have the 70mm BBK throttle body and the spacer on here. All set up. The ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line going from the fill neck proper right up to the throttle body. I have the Russell 3/8 hose going down to the charcoal canister line. All hooked up, easy hookups for the customer. So this is the way you get it, a complete custom built engine for your vehicle. Again, this will fit the 86 and 93 Fox body Mustang. This is our 302 Ford 375 horsepower turnkey package engine, ready to go. When you're ready to purchase your engine, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554. Or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.